Sundowns get cheat code for it.
They should see the love that we have.
Is the Chiefs, the best team in South Africa.
Emotions. This league is gonna show us films.
Greetings everybody, back again. Dimza Sport Entertainment. We back. You with your presenter of the day, Losdowski. I'm here with your analyst, Mapolova. Khotman Skipan.
Angimnandi kambaja.
Mina ngikren Brian. Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 1, Siwelele 1. Yo, a must win for Orlando Pirates game, but today they didn't make it. Yo, it shows like the top is gonna be a little bit of trouble. But Khotman, we won a game.
I think Pirates did everything in their hands to make sure that at least they get the maximum points.
Yeah.
But Ricardo Goss denied them.
Yeah.
If you can judge the whole game, Pirates got at least 14 corner kicks. Ricardo Goss made about 10 saves, which were going direct to him. So I think it was his day, Ricardo Goss, to deny Orlando Pirates, like it happened when Pirates was at the same situation whereby they draw 2-2 with Cape Town City in 2018-2019 season. Sure. That is the same thing that happened to Pirates today. Yeah, but again, what I can say, if Pirates, I cannot blame anyone about our loss. They did everything. I cannot even say that maybe the luck was not. The only thing that I can say is that the luck was not on our side for today's games. Yeah.
So Khotman mapegile man yini into eyenza ukuthi Siwelele khona ukubuya ne point kule game.
It was just a commitment by their as a team as a whole. Bebefuna vele bona ukuthi at least they bathole point. Even if you can check it, since the Pirates got to score, they started to make unnecessary delaying tactics, faking injuries. At some point there was a time whereby Ball Boy was bringing the ball. But then I don't know what really happened between Ball Boy and Ricardo Goss, of which means that was part of their delaying tactics. Sure. Yeah.
So Khotman man mapegile man. Ama game so we still gonna face it. We still gonna face such games. Like what you message all the teams when they come to Orlando Pirates, they know that Orlando Pirates when it comes to attacking they are very dangerous. So most of the teams they're gonna play low block. Now, what is the solution going forward? Ama team madlala ama low block ukuthi bafethu when ama team adlala low block into singazana i-tactic yesu i-solution yethu ukuthi bafethu when the teams play ama low block kumele siwine kanje ama game because this is not going to be the last game ama team adlala low block.
I just believe that maybe they better introduce 3-4-3.
Yeah.
If they realize that they are playing against people who are playing a low block, because it does not help us anyway to have 4 defenders to defend one striker. So maybe if they can try with Badale Ngama 3-4-3, they can add numbers. Maybe even Nama penalties bangawa winner from that low block because everything is possible. Yeah.
So mopegile wena manje ne. Mopegile. Esapyaga Mbule, esapyaga Tionhoto. Sapyaga Tito Masonganye, Sapyaga Mahupa. Do you think like is there any impact abayilethile phakathi because like what we needed from them we needed a goal ukuthi sikhona ukurap up a game.
For Mahopa somewhere somehow we told the opportunity then wangayisebenzisa kahle, but when you speak of Umbule was not giving us those forward passes to penetrate that low block. So ngasho ngithi introduce Umbule akusebenzelanga, but going to left back Dion Hoto was losing a lot of balls. So kushuthi we did not Pirates did not benefit anything from those subs. Sure. Yeah.
So Khotman, you still have title hopes.
Our prayers are on Sundowns to at least draw one of their matches. Maybe I can say if they can draw one game going forward, maybe we can breathe. But for now, I think the league is gone. Yeah.
Khotman, thank you for your great analysis. Thank you for being here. Yeah, Mzansi Sport Entertainment. Don't forget, I'm your biggest analyst, Mapolova. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Mzansi Sport Entertainment. Thank you.